kilogram. 3 onions, ginger, garlic paste, 3 tbsp. In a pot, add 2 cups of oil. When oil is heated, now add onions and fry it until it turns golden brown. Now add mutton shank in it. Fry it until colors change. Now add ginger garlic paste in it. Now add nihari masala in it. Bonify it well. Now add water in it and cook it on medium flame. When the meat is tendered completely, remove all oil from it in a bowl.